In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can do your laundry. First, you'll want to prepare it. Make sure all your pockets are empty so nothing falls out when it's getting washed. Also, sort your laundry by colors. You can either do this by whites, colors, and reds, or by lights and darks. Be sure you are using high efficiency detergent when you're washing your clothes. Now we can load the machines. Make sure that the machine you are using is empty and not full of someone else's clothes. Then place it evenly around the drum to prevent it from going out of balance. You can then select the cycle based on the clothes you are washing and set a timer and come back when it is done. Now that the washing machine is done, it's time to dry your clothes. First, you'll want to clean all the lint out of the lint trap. Then you can take your clothes from the washer and put it in the dryer. Select the cycle to run based on the clothes you are drying. Then set a timer and come back when it's finished.